In 3C Media, you will find sometimes that you get a lot of videos all crammed into one folder. So you might want to organize by adding additional folders. So what you do is you go into the folder or the location where those videos are and create folder, and then name the folder that you want. And create that folder, and now you see this Canvas settings folder. So now what I can do is I can go into all of the parts that I want to add to that. And at the top with the selected, I want to move to a folder. And when I hit go, it asks me which folder I want to move it to, and this is out of the whole list of folders. And you see here under this OETF class folder, I have a Canvas settings folder, and I click on move. It takes a moment, and now in that folder are the 3 videos that I had wanted to include there. So that is how you create a folder, organize your class and your 3C Media videos so that you can find them much more easily later.